POV, you wake up and you're not on Earth. It's silent. Too silent. There's no air here, no atmosphere, no sound, no weather. The ground feels light. Gravity's only 1/6 of Earth's. That's Earth, 384,400 kilometers away. Light from it takes over a second to reach here. Walking feels like a dream. Shadows don't blur. There's no air to scatter light. A footprint. And it'll stay here for millions of years. No wind to erase it. Signal detected, but from where? I'm not even near the poles. Water ice exists in deep craters. It could be fuel or survival. Plus 127 degrees Celsius right now. At night, minus 173. Shelter's not a choice, it's survival.